Chapter 1. Measurement. Metric system of measurement. Centimeter and meter are the units of length. Kilometer is the biggest unit of length. Gram and kilogram are the units of weight. Milliliter and liter are the units of capacity. There are some prefixes for describing the units which are smaller or greater than the basic units. Look at the table to understand the use of these prefixes. Measures of length. We know that meter is the standard unit of length. Let's learn about the other units of length. Kilometer, hectometer, and decameter are the units of length that are more than the meter. Decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter are the units of length less than the meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100 hectometer. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 10 decameter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Conversion of units. To change from one unit to another within the metric system, we either multiply or divide by 10 or powers of 10. To change from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we need to multiply. To change from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we need to divide. The required multiplication and division have been represented in the following diagram. Example 1. Convert the following. 6 meter 40 centimeters into centimeter. 25 kilometer 145 meters into meters. 8 meters and 650 millimeters into millimeters. Solution. First one. 6 meters and 40 centimeters is equal to 6 meters plus 40 centimeters is equal to 6 into 100 centimeters plus 40 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter is equal to 600 centimeter plus 40 centimeter is equal to 640 centimeter. 25 kilometers and 145 meters is equal to 25 kilometers plus 145 meters is equal to 25 into 1000 meters plus 145 meters is equal to 25,000 meters plus 145 meters is equal to 25,145 meters. 8 meters and 650 millimeters is equal to 8 meters plus 650 millimeters. 8 into 1000 millimeters plus 650 millimeters is equal to 8000 millimeters plus 650 millimeters is equal to 8650 millimeters. Example 2. Convert the following. 4 kilometers 6 hectometers 2 decameters 3 meters into meters. 8 meters 7 decameters 6 centimeters 2 millimeters into millimeters. Solution. 4 kilometers 6 hectometers and 2 decameters and 3 meters is equal to 4 kilometers plus 6 hectometers plus 2 decameters plus 3 meters is equal to 4 into 1000 meters plus 6 into 100 meters plus 2 into 10 meters plus 3 meters. because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters, is equal to 4000 meters plus 600 meters plus 20 meters plus 3 meters is equal to 4623 meters. 8 meters, 7 decameters, 6 centimeters and 5 millimeters is equal to 8 meters plus 7 decameters plus 6 centimeters plus 5 millimeters is equal to 8 into 1000 millimeters plus 7 into 100 millimeters plus 6 into 10 millimeters plus 5 millimeter, because 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 decameter is equal to 100 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters is equal to 8000 millimeters plus 700 millimeters plus 60 millimeters plus 5 millimeters is equal to 8765 millimeters. Example 3. Convert the following: 5000 meters into kilometers, 6280 millimeters into meters and centimeters, 7475 meters into kilometers and meters. Solution: since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, 5000 meters is equal to 5000 divided by 1000 kilometers is equal to 5 kilometers. 6280 millimeters is equal to 6000 millimeters plus 280 millimeters is equal to 6000 divided by 1000 millimeter plus 280 divided by 10 centimeters is equal to 6 meters plus 28 centimeters, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter is equal to 6 meters and 28 centimeters. 7475 meters is equal to 7000 meter plus 475 meters is equal to 7000 divided by 1000 kilometer plus 475 meters is equal to 7 kilometers plus 475 meters is equal to 7 kilometers 475 meters. Addition and subtraction. Example 4. Add the following measures: 25 meter 45 centimeter plus 6 meters 32 centimeters. Solution. Step 1. Add centimeters. 45 centimeters plus 32 centimeters is equal to 77 centimeters. Write 77 under the centimeter column. Step 2. Add meters. 25 meters plus 6 meters is equal to 31 meters. Write 31 in the meter column. 15 meters 23 centimeters plus 25 meters 95 centimeters. Step 1. Add centimeters. 23 centimeters plus 95 centimeters is equal to 118 centimeters is equal to 100 centimeters plus 18 centimeters is equal to 1 meter plus 18 centimeters. Write 18 under the centimeter column and carry over 1 to the meter column. Step 2. Add meters. 1 meter carried over plus 15 meters plus 25 meters is equal to 41 meters. Write 41 under the meter column. Example 5. Add the following measures: 6 kilometers 745 meters plus 15 kilometers 192 meters. 26 kilometers 640 meters plus 28 kilometers 955 meters. Solution. We shall first put the measures in columns and then add. Step 1. Add meters. 745 meters plus 192 meters is equal to 937 meters. Write 937 under the meter column. Step 2. Add kilometers. 6 kilometers plus 15 kilometers is equal to 21 kilometers. Write 21 under the kilometer column. Step 1. Add meters. 640 meters plus 955 meters is equal to 1595 meters, equal to 1000 meters plus 595 meters is equal to 1 kilometers plus 595 meters. Write 595 under the meter column and carry over 1 to the kilometer column. Step 2. Add kilometers. 1 kilometer carried over plus 26 kilometers plus 28 kilometers is equal to 55 kilometers. Write 55 under the kilometer column. Example 6. Subtract the following measures. 28 meters 34 centimeters from 37 meters 21 centimeters. B. 15 kilometers 346 meters from 38 kilometers and 185 meters. Solution. Let's put the measures in columns and then subtract. Step 1. Subtract centimeters. As 21 is less than 34, we cannot subtract 34 from 21. So we borrow 1 meter leaving behind 36 meters. 1 meter 21 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 21 centimeter is equal to 121 centimeter. Now 121 centimeters minus 34 centimeters is equal to 87 centimeters. Write 87 under the centimeter column. Step 2. Subtract meters. As 36 meters minus 28 meters is equal to 8 meters. Write 8 under the meter column. Step 1. Subtract meters. As 185 is less than 346, we cannot subtract 346 from 185. So, we borrow 1 kilometer leaving behind 37 kilometers. 1 kilometer 185 meters is equal to 1000 meters plus 185 meters is equal to 1185 meters. Now 1185 meters minus 346 is equal to 839 meters. Write 839 under the meter column. Step 1. Subtract kilometers. 37 kilometers minus 15 kilometers is equal to 22 kilometers. Write 22 under the kilometer column. Measures of mass. The standard unit of measuring mass is gram. Some other units of mass which are higher than gram are kilogram, hectogram and decagram. Some others which are less than the gram are decigram, centigram and milligram. The values of these units in grams have been given below. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 hectogram is equal to 100 grams. 1 decagram is equal to 10 grams. 1 decigram is equal to 1 by 10 gram. 1 centigram is equal to 1 by 100 gram. 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. From the above information, we get the following results. 1 kilogram is equal to 10 hectogram. 1 hectogram is equal to 10 decagram. 1 decagram is equal to 1 gram is equal to 10 decigram. 1 decigram is equal to 10 centigram. 1 centigram is equal to 10 milligram. Conversion of units. Example 9. Convert the following: 6 gram 750 milligram into milligrams, 8 kilogram 780 grams into grams. Solution: 6 grams 750 milligrams is equal to 6 grams plus 750 milligrams is equal to 6 into 1000 milligrams plus 750 milligrams is equal to 6000 milligrams plus 750 milligrams is equal to 6750 milligrams. 8 kilograms 780 grams is equal to 8 kilograms plus 780 grams is equal to 8 into 1000 grams plus 780 grams is equal to 8000 grams plus 780 grams is equal to 8780 grams. Example 10. Convert the following: 8 kilograms 4 hectograms, 6 decagrams 2 grams into grams, 5 grams 7 decigrams, 6 centigrams, 3 milligrams into milligrams. Solution: 8 kilograms 4 hectograms, 6 decagrams 2 grams is equal to 8 kilograms plus 4 hectograms plus 6 decagrams plus 2 grams is equal to 8 into 1000 grams plus 4 into 100 grams plus 6 into 10 grams plus 2 grams, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 hectograms is equal to 100 grams. 1 decagrams is equal to 10 grams is equal to 8000 grams plus 400 grams plus 60 grams plus 2 grams is equal to 8462 grams. 5 grams 7 decigrams, 6 centigrams, 3 milligrams is equal to 5 grams plus 7 decigrams plus 6 centigrams plus 3 milligrams is equal to 5 into 1000 milligrams plus 7 into 100 milligrams plus 6 into 10 milligrams plus 3 milligrams is equal to 5000 milligrams plus 700 milligrams plus 60 milligrams plus 3 milligrams is equal to 5763 milligrams. Example 11. Convert the following: 7000 grams into kilograms, 3762 grams into kilograms and grams. Solution: 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilograms. 7000 grams is equal to 7000 divided by 1000 kilograms is equal to 7 kilograms. 3762 grams is equal to 3000 grams plus 762 grams is equal to 3000 divided by 1000 kilograms plus 762 grams is equal to 3 kilograms 762 grams. Addition and subtraction. Example 12. Add the following masses: 31 kilogram 540 grams plus 45 kilograms 350 grams 25 grams, 800 milligrams plus 34 grams, 450 milligrams. Solution. Step 1. Add grams. 540 grams plus 350 grams is equal to 890 grams. Write 890 under the gram column. Step 2. Add kilograms. 31 kilograms plus 45 kilograms is equal to 76 kilograms. Write 76 under the kilogram column. Step 1. Add milligrams. 800 milligrams plus 450 milligrams is equal to 1250 milligrams is equal to 1000 milligrams plus 250 milligrams is equal to 1 gram plus 250 milligrams. Write 250 under milligram column and carry over 1 to the gram column. Step 2. Add grams. 1 gram carried over 25 grams plus 34 grams is equal to 60 grams. Write 60 under the gram column. Example 13. Subtract 25 kilograms 340 grams from 88 kilograms 725 grams. 95 grams 840 milligrams from 240 grams 260 milligrams. Solution. Step 1. Subtract grams. 725 grams minus 340 grams is equal to 385 grams. Write 385 under the gram column. Step 2. Subtract kilograms. 88 kilograms minus 25 kilograms is equal to 63 kilograms. Write 63 under the kilogram column. Step 1. Subtract milligrams. 260 milligrams is less than 840 milligrams. So, we shall borrow 1 gram from 240 grams, thus making it 239 grams. 1 gram 260 milligram is equal to 1260 milligrams. 1260 milligrams minus 840 milligrams is equal to 420 milligrams. Write 420 under the milligram column. Step 2. Subtract grams. 239 minus 95 grams is equal to 144 grams. Write 144 under the gram column. Measures of capacity. The standard unit for measuring capacity is the liter. Some other units of capacity which are higher than liter are kiloliter, hectoliter and decaliter. Others which are less than the liter are deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. The values of these units in liters have been given below. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 hectoliter is equal to 100 liters. 1 decaliter is equal to 10 liters. 1 deciliter is equal to 1 by 10 liter. 1 centiliter is equal to 1 by 100 liter. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. From the above information, we get the following results. 1 kiloliter is equal to 10 hectoliter. 1 hectoliter is equal to 10 decaliter. 1 decaliter is equal to 10 liter. 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliters. 1 deciliters is equal to 10 centiliters. 1 centiliter is equal to 10 milliliters. Conversion of units. Example 14. Convert the following. 6 liter 140 milliliter into milliliter. 4 kiloliter 340 liter into liters. Solution: 6 liter 140 milliliter is equal to 6 liter plus 140 milliliter is equal to 6 into 1000 milliliter plus 140 milliliter is equal to 6000 milliliters plus 140 milliliters is equal to 6140 milliliters. 4 kiloliters and 340 liters is equal to 4 into 1000 liters plus 340 liters is equal to 4000 liters plus 340 liters is equal to 4340 liters. Example 15. Convert the following: 6 liters and 332 milliliters into milliliter. 7 kiloliters and 133 liters into liters. Solution: 6 liters and 332 milliliters is equal to 6 liters plus 332 milliliters is equal to 6 into 1000 milliliters plus 332 milliliters is equal to 6000 milliliters plus 332 milliliters is equal to 6332 milliliters. 7 kiloliters and 133 liters is equal to 7 into 1000 liters plus 133 liters is equal to 7000 liters plus 133 liters is equal to 7133 liters. Example 16. Convert the following: 6000 liters into kiloliters. 4560 milliliters into liter and milliliters. Solution: since 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliters, 6000 liters is equal to 6000 divided by 1000 kiloliters is equal to 6 kiloliters. 4560 milliliters is equal to 4000 milliliters plus 560 milliliters is equal to 4000 divided by 1000 liters plus 560 milliliters is equal to 4 liters plus 560 milliliters is equal to 4 liters 560 milliliters. Addition and subtraction. Example 17. Add up the following measures: 2 kiloliters, 550 liters and 2 kiloliters, 340 liters, 28 liters, 350 milliliters and 23 liters and 860 milliliters. Solution: Step 1. Add liters. 550 liters plus 340 liters is equal to 890 liters. Write 890 under the liter column. Step 2. Add kiloliters. 2 kiloliters plus 2 kiloliters is equal to 4 kiloliters. Write 4 under the kiloliter column. Step 1. Add milliliters. 350 milliliters plus 860 milliliters is equal to 1210 milliliters is equal to 1 liter plus 210 milliliters. Write 210 under the milliliter column and carry over 1 to the liters column. Step 2. Add liters. 1 liter carried over plus 28 liters plus 23 liters is equal to 52 liters. Write 52 under the liter column. Example 18. Subtract the following measures: 9 kiloliter 450 liter from 38 kiloliter 960 liter, 28 liter 350 milliliter from 550 liter 150 milliliter. Step 1. Subtract liters. 960 liter minus 450 liters is equal to 510 liters. Write 510 under liter column. Step 2. Subtract kiloliters. 38 kiloliters minus 9 kiloliters is equal to 29 kiloliters. Write 29 under kiloliter column. Step 1. Subtract milliliters. As 150 milliliter is less than 350 milliliter, Borrow 1 liter from 550 liter. So, 549 liter are left in the liters column. 1 liter 150 milliliter is equal to 1150 milliliter. 1150 milliliter minus 350 milliliter is equal to 800 milliliter. Write 800 under the milliliter column. Step 2. Subtract liters. 549 liters minus 28 is equal to 521 liters. Write 521 under the liter column.